Welcome to another wonderful episode of Colton High Screencasts. I'm your host, Mr. Dollins. There was a time when making a movie was extremely expensive and time-consuming. Cameras were heavy and hard to move. Tons of lighting rigs were needed to make sure you could get just the right look on a piece of film stock. And if you made mistakes, it took quite a while to set everything up again to start over. Now, in the 100-plus years since the invention of the first motion picture camera, things have changed seismically. Now all of us carry cameras in our pockets, ready to shoot whenever the spirit or the natural lighting moves us. We have filters and editing technology literally at our fingertips. But one thing hasn't changed about making movies: what we need them for. One thing we need them for is simple instruction. And that's where we get to the topic of today's screencast: screencasts. In this video, we're going to look at how to use a very simple Google Chrome extension called Screencastify, which allows you to make short movies out of your Google Slides or do tutorials like this one. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is add the Screencastify extension to your Chrome browser. This can be done in one of two ways. Either you can go into the Google Play Store or download through ClassLink. For the sake of time, I've already downloaded the extension. Once you have the extension installed, you will need to set up an account with Screencastify using your Google login. This won't take too much time. Screencastify will put a nice welcome tab in front of you with overview information to get you started using their app. Again, no time to make you sit through that process. So let's assume you have everything installed and are logged in. So this is how you record. Oops, you caught me looking at one of the things that I missed the most during this shutdown, which is my love for the Lakers and NBA basketball. I miss it so much. However, if you want to use Screencastify, you have to find your app at the top. And when you click on it, it should create a pop-up box that should show up that gives you the opportunity to record. You will have your microphone selected, and then you will decide how you want to record. Do you want to record from a specific tab in your browser? Do you want to record your entire desktop window? Or do you want to record directly from your webcam? So if you're making like a special video that's just you talking straight in, like some of those goofy YouTube videos that are out there, you can do that as well. Once you have made it, now you only get a 5-minute limit on your videos. If you want to get more than 5 minutes, you do have to pay for that service, but I can't imagine any of you would want to do that. There are other options available by clicking here on the 3 lines. You can look at your recordings. This is, again, their way to get you to buy their service. You can click on options, which will help you to set your recording options. If you pay for the service, you can look at editing your videos. This is also, they have a 3-day free trial for that. If you're a classroom teacher, you get to look for classroom resources. Obviously, there's always help, and if you have multiple accounts, you can switch, or you can just sign right out. So you have options with that. When you click on the options, it's going to pull up a special tab for you, which allow you to determine how you want to save your videos. So you can save directly into your Google Drive, which is the best place to do it. Or if you want to save it into, like, let's say a hard drive or something like that, you have that option. You get to let it notify you. So if you want a bar that lets you know how long it's taking to upload your videos, you can do that. You can also configure shortcuts if you only want to use your keyboard to control things. You also get recording settings. So if you want to open your video up right after recording, you can do that. Or you can autoplay any videos, meaning it just starts up right away. You also can pause videos too, and you can name your tab recordings. You have privacy services here, and you also have advanced services if you're really tech central, you can go into that and look there. So let's do a quick screencast here. Just by clicking record, it will now ask you how you want to do this. You can share whichever screen you want. I'm going to share screen number 1 here, which is the screen that we are currently looking at. I'm going to click share. You'll hear those little dings, which tells you that you are now actively recording. You'll notice that you have this little red dot up here at the top, which tells you you're recording. And when you are done recording, you just go ahead and click on the app again and click on the stop button. That will stop the recording completely. Then it will bring up your screen for you to see it. You'll notice that it immediately saved it to your Google Drive. It allows you to create a shareable link to share with your friends. You can publish it to YouTube and all that kind of stuff, or you can download it directly into your computer. And so there you go. That is how you use Screencastify. It's a pretty simple thing. Once you have it done, you can share this video with whomever you want. If your teacher is giving this to you as an assignment, you can go ahead and share it directly with your teacher, so that way they can take a look at the work you did and give you a grade right away. Or share it with partners in a group, so that way you all can add to it. The other cool thing is, because you can download this, you can actually put it into editing softwares, so that way if you want to splice in different images or things, or add like other vocal tracks or music tracks, you can do that as well. Well, thank you for your time today. I hope this has been informative for you. And until next time, this is Mr. Dollins.